Okay na, start na.
Start.
So, good day, sir. My name is Jerome MALILLOS, and this is my group mate, Alexander Sindingan. We are going to present our prelim project for the programming to pizza ordering system. So, we use a method to reduce the line of code. As you can see here, you can only see a method name pizza flavor. So, we use the add mouse listener, so each time the user click the radio button named Hawaiian, the method name pizza flavor will execute the code below. Same with the and ham and cheese radio button and pepperoni radio button. For the next is for the create order button, we use add action listener action perform. So each time the user click the button, the method name order summary will execute the code below. So the purpose of button is to create order. Button create order is after clicking the button, it will display what the user selected in the text area. It will also display the total price of the user selected. So next is we use a we declare a string name flavor. A we also declare a double name price. So the private void method, the name pizza flavor are the code above inside the add mouse listener of each radio button for Hawaiian and ham and cheese and pepperoni. So you use a if statement condition for setting the price in the J label. So if RDO Hawaiian that is selected, the following is will code will be executed. LBL small price will set a text of 90. LBL medium price will set a text of 110. LBL large price will set a text of 130. Um, the variable name flavor will get the default text of Radio Hawaiian. So next is else if RDEO RDO ham and cheese that is selected, LBL small price that set will set a text of 110. LBL medium price that set text will of 130. LBL large price will set a text of 150. Next, the variable name method will get the default name of RDO ham and cheese. Last is else if RDO pepperoni is that is selected, the LBL small price will set a text of 130. LBM medium price will set a text of 150. LBM large price will set a text of 170. The variable name flavor will get the default text of RDO pepperoni. So the next line of code will be presented by Alexander Sindingan.
So, good day, sir. I'm Alexander Sindingan, and this is my presentation. So, here we make a method or for order summary for the create button. So, by clicking the create button, these are all will be happen. So, here we declare a string variable size. to store the content of the text property of a selected radio button. Then also we declare string variable for add-ons to store the content of the text property of every selected checkbox. So we use if else statement conditional to check if it is selected if it's the selected radio button is equal to the text here that's and if it is also selected. So if here the if the radio small button that get text is equals to the small size and if it is select selected and then if it is true the price equals double that first double LBL small price that get text so the LBL small price that get text string will be converted to the double then the size will be get the text of the radio button small. Then assume that this if else is false, then the else if is the radio button medium that get text that it equals to medium size and radio button medium that is selected, then the price will be double that first double the LBL medium price that get text. Then also the size will be get the text of the radio button medium that get text. Else if the radio button large that get text that equals to large size and the radio button large is selected, the price is equals to double that first double LB label large price that get text. Then the size will get the text of the radio button large that get text. Then here we use if conditional statement to check if one or more of these checkbox are checked. Then here if the checkbox paper is selected, then the price will add 5 pesos. And the add-ons will concatenate the content, the text property of checkbox paper. Then next is if the checkbox onions is selected, then the price will be added 10 pesos. And it's also concatenate the text property of checkbox onions. The next is if the checkbox black olives is selected, it will also add 15 pesos to the price. And the add-ons will be concatenated the black olives, the text property. Then next is the if the checkbox green peppers is selected, then the price will be adding 20 pesos. And concatenate the content of the text property of checkbox green pepper. And last is the checkbox extra cheese that is selected. If it is true, then the price will be at 25 pesos. And the checkbox extra cheese will concatenate the text to the add-ons. Then, if it is all done, the txt order summary that set text will display all of the user selected. the pizza flavor, the pizza size, the add-ons, and the total price. So to show you the program, we will execute it. So here we will see that the Hawaiian and the small size is selected in default. So let's try to select the pepperoni, the large size, and the add-ons pepper, black olives, and the extra cheese. Then by clicking the create order, you will see that the selected by the user will display in the text A order summary. The pizza flavor, which is the pepperoni, the pizza size, which is the large size, the add-ons, the pepper, black olives, extra cheese, and the total price of 215. So this is our presentation of the Prelim project. That's all. Thank you.